Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a free layout pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new high school layout pack we think you'll enjoy. Let's go ahead and check it out. Every high school website should be designed to accommodate a wide variety of content. And this high school layout pack delivers all those necessities a high school website needs, like upcoming events, department information, parent and student resources, and much, much more. Plus, the design is energized with striking color and professional imagery throughout that really makes that content pop. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can add this new layout pack on your own website. All right, so before we can start adding pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder, make sure and authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. And you can do that by going to Divi, Theme Options. There, click the Updates tab, and there you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Once that's done, you'll be able to access all of those pre-made layouts, including the high school layout pack, without any problems. Now we're ready to start creating our pages and then adding each of the corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages. So to create our first page, go to Pages, Add New. Let's go ahead and give our page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll and find the new high school layout pack and select it. On the right, you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack. Make sure and select the one that you want. For example, we're doing the home page first, so I'm going to select Home Page Layout, and then click Use this layout. Beautiful. So once the layout has been loaded to the page, feel free to make any edits, and don't forget to save or publish your page, and then you're ready to continue this process to create all of the remaining pages and then add each of those corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages. And once all the pages have been created and all those pre-made layouts added to each one, we're ready for our next step, which is to add a primary menu to your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the different pages we've created. Go ahead and select all those and add them to the menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like. And don't forget to set the display location to primary menu and click Save Menu. Now that our menu has been created, we're ready for the final step, which is to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page. And then for the home page, go ahead and select that home page we created, and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new high school layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love this new high school layout pack. And go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And don't forget to click to get those notifications. That way we can let you know every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye.